Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you GoWish app review plus tutorial. So let's get started. So now here we are in GoWish in the App Store. So if you're in Android, you can just go into the Play Store and download GoWish from there. So you can just do this basically the same steps that I'm going to do here, even if you're in Android. So from here, what you're going to do once you have installed this into your phone, you want to tap on Open. And then from here, we can set up our GoWish. So from here, if you'd like to send notifications, in my case, I don't want the notifications right here. But if you'd want that, then you can just tap on yes. And from here, I'm just going to go for Ask App Not to Track because I don't need the ads. And then next is that you can choose here on where you live, depending on your country. So in my case, I'll just go we're just going to go for United States right here, right there. And right here. So tap on save once you're all done. And from here, you can now log in if you already have an account or sign up if you don't have one. So from here, I'm just going to tap on the sign up button because I don't have an account. And then from here, you can go with sign up with email, Facebook, Google, or Apple, depending on your preferred choice. So now here we are now logged in. And when it's your first time logging into your account, then you would need to provide your first name and last name. In my case, I'm just going to go for sample tutorial. And then the date of birth right here, you want to set this up. So in my case, I'll just go for a random one right there. And oops, I didn't set it. So let's just go right there. And then select the gender right here. In my case, I'll go for male. And then if you'd want to join the newsletter, you wanted to check this one. In my case, I wouldn't. So I'm just going to tap on create account. And then from here, you can now go with your digital wish list and says, hi, sample. Welcome to GoWish. So now you can create your personal wish list, add a wish from any web shop, and share your list with friends and family. So you can tap here on start, and you can create unlimited wish list, add wishes from any web shop, share your wish list with friends and family. This is perfect since it's Christmas time already or for any special occasion. So now here we are on our dashboard. So from here, in the first one is a wish list. So this is where you'd be able to see all the wish list right here. And you can see the brands. So in case that you have brands right here that you would want to add into your wish list, you can just tap on it right here. And now let's tap here on create wish list. So tap on create. And then you can go for me right here. And you can name your wish list right here. You also have the together option if you are doing it as a group or on behalf if you have a partner on doing this with. In my case, I'll just go for me right there and tap here on add additional details right here. If you have more, you can add for the description, the end date for this wish list. And from here, as you can see here in the cloud, this is where you can upload a photo if you would want to. So now once you're all good with this one, you can now go back and tap on create wish list. And then from here, you would now be able to see the wish list right here. So from here, you can just tap on your wish list and tap on add new wish. And then you can insert the web shop link of the product or item that you would want to add to your wish list. In my case, I'll just paste it right here, which is from Amazon. This is perfect since it's Christmas time. And then from here, it is now pasted right here. And now I can upload a product image right here. So what's one thing that I don't like about it right here is that it doesn't automatically scan the link that I have given and upload the product image itself. So you would have to manually download the product image and upload it right here. And you can just go for name wish. So Christmas wish, let's just say for example. And then you can go for the price, the currency right here. So you can choose your currency and the quantity. And then the description, you can put it right here. So now once you're all good with this one, you can now tap on add wish, and then it would now be added here into your wish list. And then you have your inspiration right here. You can also add this and you have your brands. So now next, you want to tap on the activity here at the bottom. So when you're here, you would now be able to see all the wish list that is from other people. So you can also follow certain people, certain creators, brands, and so on right here. And this is where you can see everything they post. So basically, this is your news feed. And here on the plus button right here is where you can create your wish list by using the web shop link, or you can just go create it manually. So in my case, I'll just skip that because we already did that. And then the next is the inspiration. This is where you can get inspirations for your wishes on different brands. So you can see the trending and so on right here. And next is the find gift. So this is where you'd be able to see different products right here that you can add as your wish. So depending on what you'd want, you can just tap on them and then add them as your wish. And then next is you can go back here into the wish list and tap on your account on the top right. And this is where you'd be able to see all the reservations that you made, my gifts, notifications, archived wishes, your account, and help right here. So this is where you can set it up. So yeah, that is basically it on the basics here on how you can use your GoWish app. And for the review of this one, I think this is a great way of doing a wish list right here, especially for special occasions like for Christmas. I think this is a great way to share your wishes with your family, friends, and so on what you would want, because you'd be able to add a specific item right here or product by using a link, and you can upload your photos or images so that they would know exactly what to buy and how they can buy it because you have provided the link. So I think that would be very helpful. And yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.